Finally made the hairstyle my lovelies chose for me. I posted a video saying that you people should choose my next hairstyle. And so in this video, as seen already, you see me styling and doing my hairstyle myself. So the hairstyle that was picked was for me to do all back. So normally if I'm doing my all back, it's usually straight all back that the front is brush like. But then I also got a video to try out a particular all back. Though the video sent was all back and base, and I was like, you know what, I don't want base, I just want all back. But I tried to like get the style, but in that video the lady's cutting was very very tiny, and I know I'm not in for that. Coupled with the fact that I'm already 4 month post relaxer, it's usually a lot for me to style my hair and part it when I already have a lot of new growth. So let's talk about content creating, you guys. This is not supposed to be how this video should go. I did an intro, doing a talking in that video, but unfortunately for me, after editing the video, I didn't know that I did not save, and that's how I deleted it. So you guys, to manage this one, you guys look at the cornrow, is giving professional. Though the pattern are not perfect, but you all, come on, you guys are going to rate me, okay, and tell me what you think. So I'm going to just put a picture of the style I was trying to recreate, but I ended up just increasing the size because I know I'm not like, I can't even try to make a tiny all back myself, at least. Even if I'm going to do that, not now that I'm already 4 month post relaxer. So you guys look at the length of this hair is giving, like it's literally giving. So because my hair is already like 4 month post relaxer, I decided to do a just one braid at the back, just one line. So I do this sometimes when I'm doing my all back, but not all the time. So but I just decided to do it for this one. So this is me doing my thing. And honestly, at this point, I was already thinking about my life, asking myself who sent me a message. It was at this point I I just knew I shouldn't have done this to myself because everybody was enjoying their sleep and I'm busy. I don't know why. If you can relate to this, if you are a DIY hair styling girly that always style your hair, I don't know how. Anytime I'm making my hair, it's always at night. Like literally, it's always at night. But I guess that's the only time that feels peaceful. That you won't get any calls or maybe distraction or anything. So that moment when you are finally doing the last part of the hair, I was already happy at this point. And you all, honestly, this is not easy. This particular styling of hair is arm work. I always get a comment from someone on YouTube always talking about my saying things about abs. I don't even know all this workout things, sha. But this is the workout that I do that builds my arm. Because this is not an easy thing to do, and honestly is a whole lot. So after the whole thing, because in when I before I started the hair, I already used my moisturizer to moisturize it so that it would be easy for me to pat the hair. So that's why I'm using my hair butter to seal it up so that the moisture will be completed. And then to hold the hair firm and also avoid fly out, I use my hair mousse to do that. So this is basically the hairstyle, because this person already said show the full hairstyle. Now this is the full hairstyle, okay? So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll be back again in 2 weeks time for you guys to choose my next hairstyle. So you guys, now all you have to be doing is just to choose my hairstyle while I do it. This is the final look. I couldn't do the size of that hairstyle because my hair is super super due for relaxer and I'm not ready to relax it. So I decided to go with this size, and yeah, what do you guys think? It's not exactly like the one I wanted to achieve, but we move. Yeah, at least I've been able to do my all back, and that's it. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 degree. Yeah. So but before that, I started around 8 o'clock and the time is currently 12:54 a.m. I started around 8 p.m. and this is 12:54 a.m. Oh my god. Count it. How many hours did you count? So let me give you guys a 360.